Hello and welcome back to the course on Power BI. In this tutorial, we're starting off the first main section where we will learn a lot about Power BI. We're going to learn the foundations of this tool and we're going to lay the groundwork for the rest of this course. And while we are going to learn a lot of theory, we're going to learn how the tool works, how to navigate it, and how to use it. At the same time, it is going to be an exciting section because we're going to be solving a real-world business challenge. So let's go ahead and find out more about this challenge that we're going to be tasked to do. All right, so here is the challenge. It's end of financial year, and that means it's time for annual bonuses. The store operates in 3 regions, and only the top performing employee in each region qualifies for a bonus. Find out which 3 employees are eligible to get bonuses for this year. Employees are measured on total sales in dollar terms. And you can get the dataset here. So all of the datasets for this course are available at www.superdatascience.com/PowerBI, one word. So let's go ahead and go to that page. There it is, superdatascience.com/PowerBI. If you scroll down, you'll see section 2, your first bar chart in Power BI. In this section, we'll learn how to work with CSV files. So go ahead and download this file. And once the file has been downloaded, this means the end for this tutorial because all we needed to do is get familiar with the challenge and download the file, and we're going to learn how to connect to this file in the next tutorial. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy analyzing.